There's a bass swimming along. Looks like a smallie. See, oh, he's running at it aggressively. Here he comes. He ate it right in front of, oh, he broke me off. What? Dude. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. Today I'm fishing Des Plaines River, my favorite place. It's July, mid-July. The water is low and clear. It's cool out, 70s, upper 70s. Perfect day for fishing. I actually already hooked a fish and he broke me off. I don't know if that's going to make the video, but anyways, stick with me, stay tuned. Should be a fun day today. Alright, here we go. I'm rigged back up with a tube jig. I just had one bite on this tube jig, maybe my second cast. I don't know if that's gonna make the video, we'll see. And he broke me off, so I'm hoping that he'll bite again and I can get that tube jig back from him. He owes me now. I think he's over there somewhere. I saw him over there. Water is so clear that I saw him swim up all angry and grab my lure, and I set the hook and he took off right away and I think just broke me off. I must have had a weak spot in my line or something, but regardless, it's a good sign because today they should be biting. That one was, it looked like a smallie. I may have to switch up to the worm lure. I got a little bass following, not the one I want. He's around here somewhere, I'll find him. I love when it's clear like this. I can see everything that's happening. It's pretty cool. There's another little fish following. Oh, I think I found him again. I think I see him swimming over there. Let's see if I can get him to eat it again. Oh, he ate it again. If it's the same fish, I'm gonna get my jig back. I don't know. Oh, it came off. And there's like 4 fish following him. I'm kind of glad he got off because there's a bigger one right behind him that's gonna eat this thing now. This is crazy, dude. This is crazy. I knew it was gonna be like this. I'm so glad I came here today. All right, there's one swimming over there. They're looking at it. They're looking at it. The little one ate it. It's not the one I wanted to catch. The little one ate it. There's 2 bigger ones right next to him. All right, we'll just have to weed them out. He's first. It's a nice little smallie. I'll take it. Not what I was after. There's big ones over there, which are still gonna eat. I'm so tempted. There's a bass right in front of me here. Oh, a little guy just angrily grabbed it. I didn't want to catch him. I wanted to catch the bigger one. But I ended up with this little guy. Another little smallie. About the same size as the first one. Wonder if it's the same one. Probably not. Alright. Alright, we got all kinds of deep structure back here. We got a bass swimming along right there. I think he's hip to this lure though. Might be the one that ate it to begin with. There's another one looking at it. Come on. Here he comes. Got one. There we go. That's a little better than the first couple ones. Still the smaller of the fish that I see over there though. Oh yeah, that's a smallie. Man, they battle so hard. It's so awesome that there's smallmouth bass in this river like this now. It used to just be pike, which I want to catch pike too, but this is just awesome. Oh, I pulled a rock. Sorry, rock. I was making fun of you and I just did the same thing, but I didn't lose him. There we go. There's a decent river smallie. Better than the first couple. Caught him right in the bottom of his lip. There you have it. It's a beautiful fish right there. I'll fish for these all day. No problemo. No problemo. There we go. Off he goes. Man, it's so cool fishing clear water like this. Let's do it again. Searching through my gear, I found one last black worm. Black should work today. Aside from everything else, I'll be able to see it a little better, and maybe I can catch a fish, maybe. Hopefully. I don't know how I'm going to get him past all these weeds, but we'll worry about that if I catch one. Always following. Oh, that's a nice smallie too. Well, I guess we're going to find out how I'm going to get him past these weeds now. So that's a nice smallie. He looks at least... Oh, wow. That's a 3-pounder at least. Oh, he's in the weeds. I may have to get my shoes. Oh, he's coming across. Dude, he's huge. I may have to walk out there for this guy. There's no way I'm pulling him through here on this. Oh, maybe I can. Oh, there he is. Man, that's a... I can't believe I just caught this smallie in Des Plaines River. He's huge. He's huge. And I'm actually landing him. This is the biggest smallie I've seen in a long time, dude. What? You're kidding, right? I just caught this in Des Plaines River. Get out of here. That's amazing. Yeah, buddy. Look at that fish. That is a beast of a smallie. Des Plaines River has beasts in it. I can't even believe it. Unreal. Let's get a good release on her. Dragged her through the weeds and everything. Alright. Dragged her through the weeds and everything. All I could say is, hey, that's what it's all about, baby. Right there. Let's get a good release. There's a nice little puddle right there. There she goes. Unreal, dude. That was awesome. Did not expect that, but I will take it all day. Let's get some more. Stick over here, maybe. Oh, there's a fish following. I see him. He's got it. There we go. It's a little smaller fish, but still, he went after it. He jumped over the weed line for me. All right. Another little guy. Nothing like his big sister that I just caught over there, but a fish is a fish. This wasn't a real meal for you, buddy, but back you go. Swim on, buddy. Alright. Got my lure back on. Gotta look at where I'm casting before I cast. That's what I gotta do. There's a little bass coming towards me. He's gonna eat this lure for sure, if he sees it. He's swimming over here though. He's setting up. It's like he knows it's coming. He's a little guy, but whatever. He came and hid under this brush pile. There he is. Oh, he ate it. It's so cool to see it all happen. Oh, he's battling hard. He's a little chunker of a smallie again. Not the biggest fish in the world, but stop shaking and we'll take it. I seen him post up over here. Another nice little smallie. Hey, can't complain if you're catching fish, right? I'm gonna try and get him to commit. He's looking at it. I got him. Oh, there's a bigger one right there too. There's a bigger one looking at what's going on here. So maybe I can get him as well. But hey, we're catching fish. That's what it's all about, baby. I just love that there is smallies everywhere in this river now, because I love catching smallies. So I love catching pike too, but pick and choose, I guess. The smallies are biting right now. See if I can get that big one to commit again. Oh, I got one this time. That's a bigger one. Yes, that's a bigger one. Oh, he's battling. I don't know how much bigger, but either way, smallies just fight so hard. Oh yeah, it's a decent one. Oh, come on. He's just trying so hard to get away. Come on, smallie. Yeah, that's bigger than the last one. Making progress. Here we go. Another nice little smallie. There we go. Another nice smallie. Not huge, but healthy nonetheless. And yeah, that's fun. See if we can find another one. Oh, this just looks like there should be fish here. This looks like it's just a perfect little habitat for fish to hang out and stay in the shade. It's in deeper water. Oh, there's a fish right there in front of me. He's looking at me. Let's see if he grabs it. Oh, he went down to it. Yeah, he grabbed it all right. Crazy, dude. It's a largie. It's bigger than the smallies I was catching. Another nice fish. Nice healthy largemouth. River largemouth. Hey, hey. I'll take it. That's what we're here for, is bass. So. Nice largemouth bass. Not the biggest fish in the world, but nothing to complain about either. Back you go, buddy. Alright, this is sketchy as hell, but if I can get out on this tree, I have a feeling I'm going to be able to catch some fish out on this tree. So I gotta get out there. Can I do it? I can do it. Just gotta be careful. Alright, I think I can do it. I got it. I got it, alright. Oh yeah. Oh, there's a bass right in front of me. Alright. It's deep. There should be fish here. All around these brush piles. Although they do seem scattered in the weeds more, there still should be fish here. Oh, he's coming. He ate it. Oh, what a... He had no clue. Man, he pulled hard, dude. It was hilarious. Dude battled. You just gave it your all on that run, buddy. You gave it your all on that run. That's the fish I saw. He gobbled it. He came up all aggressive. And there you have it. Nice little river largie. Buddy, the one bites the dust. You know, they're not huge fish, but I'm sure there's a big one here and there. It's just fun to see them come up, grab it. Oh, there's a better sized one there. That's a decent bass. That's bigger than the one I just caught. Oh, there's several. There's several bass right in front of me right now. Oh, what is that? Something weird. What's that? Is that a walleye? What? What is that? What? I've never caught one of these before. What is this? It's not a walleye. That's a beautiful fish. Is that a sawguy? What is that? Is that a sauger? Looks just like a walleye. Man, I can't even believe I just caught this fish. What a beautiful fish, dude. I'm pretty sure that's a sauger or a saw. It's not a sauger. It's like a hybrid. It's like a sawguy. Somebody tell me what this is. It looks like a walleye. It might be a walleye. It's just got a weird pattern. I don't know. He's got spots on his fins. What kind of fish is that? It's a nice one too. That would be an eater. If that was a walleye, that's a perfect eater. Maybe a 16, 14, 16 incher. But hey, it's a beautiful fish, man. Look at that. I'm going to have to look that up because I've caught sauger before. I've caught walleye before. I've caught sawguy. They look different than that. That's not... I don't know what the heck you would call that, but he ate it regardless. Let's get him back. That was cool. I saw 3 bass going for my lure, and then he came out of nowhere. He was like on the bottom. That was crazy. You never know what you're going to catch on the river. That's what's cool. Cast over that way a little bit. There's probably tons of fish sitting under that. What? Did I just catch the smallest fish on the face of the earth? What? Yeah, that is by far the smallest smallie I've ever caught. Alright. I'm re-rigged. This time I threw on a Strike King tube jig. Should work as good as the other one I was using. Yeah, it's doing the same relative thing as that other one. Let's just not lose this one. Oh, I got something. Oh, there's a big one chasing him. There's a big one chasing him. Oh, he just bit on it. He's biting at it. Man, the big one. I want the big one that was chasing him. There was a beast chasing him, dude. I gotta get to that beast. He wants some of it too. He wanted that lure more than you did, little man. See if I can find him. There he is. He came over to my lure. He's looking at it. He was looking at it. Oh, that's at least a 3-pounder. That's at least a 3-pounder. He's not having it though. Darn. I need a worm lure. I'm putting a worm lure on. I'll be back. Alright. I don't see where he is anymore. But that's alright. He's in the vicinity. I can see this lure because it has a white tip, so I can actually see where it is. They should gobble it up. But what do I know? I could be totally wrong. But I can actually see where this lure is, so that gives me a little bit of an advantage over that other lure. Couldn't see where we were. This will catch us something for sure. Just gotta find that big one again. He's back there. Running low on line though. Oh, he's looking at it. I see him. He's following it. He ate it. Oh, that's a nice fish. Yes, dude. I knew it. I knew he would eat this lure. The big bass just love the worm lure, dude. I'm gonna have trouble landing him. Oh, get out of there. No. No. God. Dude, this is almost a 4-pound bass, maybe 3 pounds. It's hard to tell how much he weighs, but he's big. This is the biggest fish I've caught all day. How am I gonna land him though? Oh, unreal, dude. That's a nice bass right there. Oh, he went under the tree. Oh, I can't lose this one. Oh, can I get him? Oh, he's almost too big. Yes, dude. Yes. Let's go. Standing on a tree. I knew switching to this lure would get him. I knew it. Only one hook in him. That's a big fish, folks. Gotta love it. That is awesome. Can't even believe it. Switch to the worm lure, and boom, get a good release. Let's get a good release. Oh man, that was awesome. I knew if I switched to my go-to lure, that giant was going to eat, and sure enough, she did. That was awesome. That was awesome. And it's like, you know, people can hate all they want. Why is he always using those worm lures? Because I'm the worm lure guy, and I just proved why. Because I was throwing the tube jig at him. He didn't want nothing to do with it. I switched to this lure. Second cast, I saw him. First cast, I couldn't see where he was, so I was just searching around a little to see some movement. By the second cast, I saw him follow and take it. I watched it all happen right in front of me. That's what it's all about. That just made my day. Woohoo! Let's see if I can get off of this tree. Without getting wet or hurt. That is the key. Don't get hurt, don't get wet. I should be good. This is an easy one. Wonder what that is. Something on a tree. Maybe. I don't know. It's weird. Alright, let's see if I can get through here. No falling. Looks like we got it. Yeah, buddy. I'm out of time. This is probably my last cast right here. And there it is. Last cast bass, baby. Looking for any bigger ones following him. That's how I found that last big one. Another little river bass. Don't bite me. And he was never getting away either. Wonder if there's more bass over by that tree. Oh my gosh. Oh, that little guy was never getting away. Well, I'm out of time for today. That was a great time. I hope you guys all enjoyed it as much as I did. Yeah, caught a weird looking walleye. I'm gonna have to look it up online and see exactly what that was. Caught a nice smallie, caught a nice largemouth. It was a productive day. Low and clear, baby. That's the way I like it. I hope you all enjoyed. Like and subscribe if you want to see more of my content. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.